Here we go. We have a question, maximum path sum from any node. So you have given a binary tree and our task is to find the maximum path sum. The path may start and end at any node in the tree. So we have given this example. So a path starts from 20 and ends on this node number 10. So the total summation is 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 20 40, then 242. This is the maximum path. And in this example the maximum path is 31. So this is the output. So this question is pretty straightforward. Now let's build the approach. So I have taken the same example here. This is my root node. First I will travel on the left side, then on the right side. So this is the left side, this is the left side. Its left is 0, its right is 0. So total path of this node, we only have this single tree. So the path on this particular node, the maximum path is 20. Our answer initially contains minus infinity, not 0, because there may be a chance that every single node in the subtree is negative. So that's why we have to consider minus infinity. So till now we have traversed and the answer is 20. 20 is the maximum answer that we have found till now. Then we are on to 2. So it will pass 20 from this side. Then we will move on the left side. So the path on this node is 1 and we will compare it. Answer still contains 20. 20 is the maximum value till now. Then it will pass 1. So we have this node. What is the path till now? Left plus node plus right. So it will create this curve. So the path will look like this: left plus current node data plus right path. So here the value will be 23. So we will update our answer to 23 and it will pass what it will pass? It will pass the maximum value till the leaf node. Either this path or this path. Not the curve. It will pass only one path. Either this or either this. So it will pass the maximum value. So let me write it here. It will return the maximum value between left or right plus node that we have to include. So it will pass 22. This is the maximum path, 22. Then we got some value from the left side. It's time to shift on this side. So we are on to 10. So from left we will get 0. From right we are on to this node. From this node, what we got? We got 3, because on the left side plus right side we got 0 0 and the path till now is 3. So it will pass 3. And on the other side we will get 4, because the path till now is 4. And what's the total path till now? It will be left plus node plus right. So it will look like a curve. So the total is some negative value. So we will just ignore it. The answer will still contain 23. Then it will pass what it will pass? It will pass the maximum value, either this path or this path. So we get minus 21. So what's the total value till now? So we have given left plus node plus right, but from the right side we are getting some negative value. From the right side we are getting some negative value, so we will just simply ignore it. What we'll do, if we are getting, so this is important, so let me change the color. From the left side we will get the maximum between left value or 0, or the right side we will get the maximum value between right and 0. So the value that we are getting from this node will be converted to 0. So 0 on the right side, 0 on the left side. So the total value, the curve will look like 10. So we only got 10 and it will return value 10. So we will just stop here and we just simply ignored the negative portion. We simply ignored the negative portion. So we have simply 10 here. So it will pass 10. From the left side we got 22. From the right side we got 10. So we will join this left side plus the right side. So 22 plus 10 plus 10. So it will be 42. So this is the maximum answer till now. So we have 42. I think this is the expected output. Yes, 42. Let's try the same approach for the next test case. So we have given this test case. And answer till now is minus infinity. We will first go on the left side, then the left side. So the value till now is 20. So we will update our answer because it will be left plus node plus right. So this is my answer. So this thing will participate in my answer. So the answer will be maximum between this value and my answer. Then it will pass 20. 20 means the leftmost maximum path. Then from this side, on the left side we got 0, on the right side we got 0. So the value till now is minus 2. Although it will pass minus 2. But we will check the maximum path on the left side, the maximum path on the right side between 20 or 0 is still 20, and the maximum path on the right side between the right side value and 0. So it will be 0 because we are getting negative value, so we will just pass 0. So the value till now is the maximum, the path. This is the path. So this is my path, left plus node plus right. So left 20 plus node 31 plus right is 0. So value till now is 31. Just update your answer. Then we will pass the maximum path. So the maximum path is this, which is 31. Then we will shift on the right side, then this side. From left we got 0, for right we got 0. Now this is my answer till now, which is 10. It will pass 10. And on the right side we got 0. So what's the value till here? Is 14. So it will pass the maximum path between the left path or on the right path, plus this node also includes. So it will be this path. So we are passing 14. Then what will be the answer of this node that we just attached. So it will be the left path that we are getting 31 plus current node plus right path. So 31 minus 17 plus 14, we got 31 minus 3, so which is less than 31, so answer will not update. Then we are on to this, so it will pass the maximum path, although this is the root node and we are returning some value, and that returned value will not participate in any of the answer. So but still, let's find out what it will return. It will return the maximum between 31 or 14. So it will be 31 plus the root node plus the current node. So it will pass this. So if there is no path, if there is no node, we just ignore it. We will pass 0. And if there is negative side, we will just ignore it. So negative side is ignored using maximum, and null side is ignored. Null side is ignored by just return base case. Now let's code this. So first we have a global answer. Initially its value is minus infinity. Then we have a solve function. This is the base case. Then we are getting the value from the left side and right side. If we are getting, so this is crucial point, if we are getting the negative value from either of the sides, we will just consider as a 0. If we are getting negative value, we are considering as a 0. So left and right. So this is the path, this is the curvature. So from the left, then from left node then right, left node then right. So this is the curve, and we are just considering this path. Just return the maximum path that we can get from either left side or the right side, plus node data is included. So this will create a path. That's all about this question. Let's submit this, and I hope it will work. Let's talk about time and space complexity. So in this, the time complexity is order of n. Yes, we have not written the return statement. And let's continue about the time complexity. So it will be order of n. And about the space complexity, it will be order of height of the tree. And let's find out. We have met the expected time and space complexity. Thank you all for watching.